Welcome back. These Kashmiri chai bombs taste great and are so much fun to serve. They can be given as gifts or served to guests for a delicious alternative to the trending hot chocolate bombs. You'll need some pink candy melts or white chocolate and pink food colouring. Both work well, but candy melts are a lot easier to work with. Melt the chocolate and spread into a round silicone mould. Spread 2 thin layers chilling in between rather than one thick layer. This will stop the chocolate from pooling at the bottom. Once the shells have hardened, remove very gently and balance on some glasses. Always wear gloves to prevent fingerprints. To each shell, add some instant tea, not tea leaves. Add however much the pack instructions say. Add half a teaspoon of crushed pistachios. Now these are ready to melt. Use a microwave plate or slightly cooled frying pan to melt the edge of the other half of the shell. Place on the filled half to seal. If there are any gaps, you can pipe some melted chocolate. Now these are ready to decorate. Drizzle with candy melt and decorate with sprinkles. If you don't have sprinkles, you can use crushed pistachios instead. These bombs fit perfectly in fairy cake cases, so they can be boxed up and given as gifts. When you're ready to serve, place a bomb into a mug and pour some hot milk over it. Use as much milk as per the instructions. I'm sure that you'll agree that these look elegant and impressive, and I can guarantee that they taste delicious. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give it a try. Stay safe and see you in my next video.